Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Shure Aonic 50 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case you're having any issues with these headphones, not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your phone or other device, or not syncing with the app properly, or not responding in some way, not charging right. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever situation where you want to kind of set these headphones up like they're new coming out of the box, we can just go ahead and wipe everything off of it. So there's kind of two ways you can do this. The first is via the Shure Plus Play app. We just go in, you click on the actual device of these headphones, scroll to the bottom, select reset, then restore default settings, then confirm. But if you're having an issue with them frozen or something like that, you might want to do this straight from the earphones themselves, which we can. So all we need to do is on the earphones with them on, we're just going to find the volume up, the volume down, and the power button on them, and press those three buttons simultaneously until the headphones turn off. Once they turn off, that will disconnect the power, do a hard reset on them. We can turn them back on and set them up again.